Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make BIR style chicken capsila. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. To begin, heat a pan on high and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add half a finely chopped onion and sprinkle over half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of dried methi leaves. Stir through and fry for a couple of minutes to release the aromas, stirring frequently. Add in half a green pepper chopped into small chunks, 2 chopped green finger chillies and 3 finely sliced garlic cloves. Stir through and fry for a couple of minutes. Time for the spices, so add in 2 teaspoons of mix powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala powder. Tip over a little heated base to keep things moving if anything starts to stick. Fry for a couple more minutes. It's fine to add a little more base if things look dry. If using raw meat, add it in now. Stir and coat to seal and fry for a minute to infuse the flavours. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, watered down with around 6 tablespoons of water. This will make it easier to combine. Then a quarter of a teaspoon of mint sauce and half a teaspoon of sugar. If you're using pre-cooked meat, it's time to add it now. Make sure you coat the meat in the sauce to prevent it drying out. Add half of the base, around 125 millilitres, and carefully stir through. Allow to reduce for a couple of minutes before adding the last of the base and reducing again for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle over a quarter of a teaspoon of Garam Masala, around a quarter of a cup of fresh coriander and stir through. Continue to reduce for around 5 minutes and serve when the sauce reaches your desired consistency and when your meat is cooked through if you used raw meat. When the oil starts to separate, your dish is normally ready. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.